Grade 10 Health, Consumer Health Activity 2. Most Essential Learning Competency. Explains the guidelines and criteria in the selection and evaluation of health information, products and services. Code H10CHIAB20. First let me ask some question.
Sure sir, go ahead.
What is consumer health? Where did you last spend your money? What kind of service did you avail? Who recently shared with you a new health information? Our topic for today is all about consumer health information. Please hold your module while watching this video lesson to help you in answering the activities and questions. Let's go and learn.
Services are open connected to healthcare. These programs aim to freeze the health conditions individuals through screening and examinations. Cure and treat diseases in these orders. Prevent and control spread of diseases. Provide safety emergency care, and first aid, and ensure a follow-up program for individuals who undergone treatments. Health services, usually offered by healthcare providers, are the number 1. Healthcare professionals. These are trained professionals who provides people with health care. Number 2. Healthcare facilities. Healthcare places or institutions that offer healthcare services. We have different types of healthcare professionals. Healthcare professionals. Individuals that are licensed to practice medicine and other allied programs. An example is a physician. A physician records the medical history of individuals, provides diagnoses, performs medical examinations, and prescribes medication. There are different types of physicians based on their field of specialization. A cardiologist is a doctor with special training and skill in finding, treating and preventing diseases of the heart and blood vessels. A dermatologist is a doctor who specializes in conditions involving the skin, hair, and nails. A dermatologist can identify and treat more than 3,000 conditions. These conditions include eczema, psoriasis, and skin cancer, among many others. The skin is an incredible organ. A gastroenterologist is an expert in digestive health and issues related to the stomach, intestines, and bowels, but also includes a few other organs related to the entire digestive tract. A lot happens between the time food enters your mouth until it is excreted from your body as waste. Geriatrician is a doctor who specializes in care of the elderly and the diseases that affect them. The approach tends to be holistic and involves a multidisciplinary team. The geriatrician concentrates on managing the medical conditions affecting the patient. Gynecologists are doctors who specialize in women's health, with a focus on the female reproductive system. They deal with a wide range of issues, including obstetrics, or pregnancy and childbirth, menstruation and fertility issues, sexually transmitted infections, STIs, hormone disorders, and others. A doctor who specializes in neurology is called a neurologist. The neurologist treats disorders that affect the brain, spinal cord, and nerves, such as cerebrovascular disease, such as stroke, demyelinating diseases of the central nervous system, such as multiple sclerosis. An orthopedic surgeon, a physician who corrects congenital or functional abnormalities of the bones with surgery, casting, and bracing. Orthopedists also treat injuries to the bones, sometimes spelled orthopedist. An ophthalmologist diagnoses and treats all eye diseases, performs eye surgery and prescribes and fits eyeglasses and contact lenses to correct vision problems. An ophthalmologist is a medical or osteopathic doctor who specializes in eye and vision care. A pediatrician is medical doctor who manages the physical, behavioral, and mental care for children from birth until age 18. A pediatrician is trained to diagnose and treat a broad range of childhood illnesses, from minor health problems to serious diseases. A pulmonologist is a physician who specializes in the respiratory system, from the windpipe to the lungs, if your complaint involves the lungs or any part of the respiratory system. A pulmonologist is the doc you want to solve the problem. Pulmonology is a medical field of study within internal medicine. Urologists diagnose and treat diseases of the urinary tract in both men and women. They also diagnose and treat anything involving the reproductive tract in men. In some cases, they may perform surgery. For example, they may remove cancer or open a blockage in the urinary tract. Health care facilities, hospitals, where people undergo medical procedures. Walk-in surgery center, offers surgery without being admitted in a hospital. Health center, cater a certain population with various health needs. Extended health care facility, provides treatment, nursing care and residential service to patients, often the elderly. Activity 2. Add to cart. Directions. The following are most bought products during the COVID-19 lockdown. Classify the following products if they are bought in the supermarkets and department stores, or pharmacy and hospitals. Antibiotic. Please answer your modules cleanly. Feel free to ask question about the topics in Grade 10 Health First Quarter Week 1 Day 4. Goodbye.